Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can invite your friends to try the Foodpanda application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the invite friends button. And as you can see, there's a reward. If you invite your friend, then you can get money that you can use to buy food from the application. So here's the here's how you should do that. So you can either share your link with them, or you can scan your QR code and share with your friends through that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.